Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. And the Reggae Girlz lost 2-0 to host South Korea in their second friendly match, which was played behind closed doors on Tuesday at the Hwasong Sports Complex Stadium. The result means that the number 42 ranked Jamaicans lost both matches on tour as they were beaten 1-0 in the first match on Saturday by the number 18 ranked South Koreans. The matches formed part of the Reggae Girlz preparation for next year's FIFA World Cup set for Australia and New Zealand. Now to tennis, Francis Tiafoe of the USA produced the performance of a lifetime to send Rafa Nadal crashing out of the US Open in a stunning fourth-round upset on Monday. Tiafoe, who had only reached one major championship quarterfinal in his career before, shattered Nadal's hopes of adding to his record collection of 22 Grand Slam singles titles with a 6-4, 4-6, 6-4, 6-3 victory. And the win sends the 24-year-old Tiafoe into a last 8 showdown against Russian 9th seed Andrei Rublev on Wednesday. Nadal was being beaten in a Grand Slam for the first time in 2022. The defeats means that Marin Cilic, who won the US Open in 2014, is the only Grand Slam singles winner left. Well, only moments ago, he was also beaten. Netball head coach Connie Francis is expected to see out her contract with the Sunshine Girls, which ends next year after initial doubts over her immediate future with the team. As it stands, Francis is expected to be back at training this week. This according to Netball Jamaica president Tricia Robinson. The Sunshine Girls have the America's Netball Tournament and a tour to New Zealand later this year to come. And Robinson says there is unfinished business ahead of the World Cup set for next year. And after gaining the hosting rights, ACAJ President Martin Lin says that Jamaica will be ready for the 2023 Goodwill Swim Meet. With Guyana unable to host the meet and Jamaica has stepped in and an additional space will be granted to an outside country. And that's where we leave the pool for now. And I am Jermaine Brown.